Well, that's an easy question.
I'm part of a group of companies who are all really striving to be the best that they can be.
The integrity, the quality, the training, and the backing is unsurpassed by any other part of the industry.
Well, we've grown the business 3 times from where we started. By that I mean 3 times the size than when we started, so we definitely, I don't think, would have been able to do that on our own.
So as a group, we get buying power, which helps us strategically position ourselves as a company to succeed over just a one standalone local company, right?
Just this week we're spending 3 days doing financial analysis and some leadership training. That kind of thing you just can't get locally, as far as I'm concerned.
Whether it's health and safety, human resources, code changes.
I'm provided with the tools and the information that I need in order to make my company the best that it can be.
A big component for me is the marketing. I definitely know that our image is separating us from the competition. We look like one of the big guys while still being locally owned and operated, which is important to us.
First of all, there's the consolidated purchasing program. That program is negotiated and put together by the purchasing group, so I don't have to worry about going out and negotiating that myself. And on top of that, we now have the Clarity program. It gives our customers a really good option to go on a monthly payment plan and have all of their needs taken care of. The equipment, service, warranty, maintenance, it's all included in that monthly payment.
We're young in business. If you have questions about certain things, most likely there's someone there who's been in business for 30 years who can help someone like me out.
You're able to speak freely with the other members, whereas you wouldn't probably talk about some of this stuff in your hometown with your competition.
I think the camaraderie of several small companies combining collectively to share each other's points of views, and for the most part, standard.
We are now at the level where we really kind of offer support to a lot of other people, so we're more in a coaching role at this point, and that's really kind of nice to try to help some of the other companies.
I think ClimateCare is a great option for every HVAC company.
Collectively, we are one large company.
There's a lot of companies out there that could benefit wholeheartedly from what they have to offer in the way of experience, training, peer groups.
And we have made some really good friends over the years.
In a nutshell, that's why we've joined and continue to be a member.